Welcome to Systech. In this short video, you will learn how to assign a hostname to Cisco network devices. Let's begin with a bit of theory. Why assign a hostname? Assigning a unique hostname is a best practice for network administrators. It helps you identify devices easily in a network and ensures a structured configuration environment. By default, Cisco devices come with generic names. Switch has the default hostname, switch. Router has the default hostname, router. So, the first configuration task should always be to change the default name to a meaningful, unique identifier. Rules for naming Cisco devices. Here are the key rules to follow. 1. Start the name with a letter. 2. Avoid spaces in the device name. 3. End with a letter or digit. 4. Use only letters, digits, and dashes, hyphen symbol. 5. Keep the name under 64 characters. 6. The name should reflect the device's location or purpose, e.g., floor 2, router 1. Now, let's move to the practical part using Cisco Packet Tracer. 1. Move from user exec mode to privileged exec mode /. Enter the following command. Enable. This transitions you into privileged exec mode. 2. Enter global configuration mode. Use the command configure terminal. This allows you to make system-wide changes. 3. Assign a hostname. In global configuration mode, assign the hostname using hostname router, floor 3, CS. Replace router, floor 3, CS with your desired device name. 4. Exit global configuration mode. Return to privileged exec mode by typing exit. 5. Save the configuration. Save your changes to ensure they persist after a reboot. Use either of the following commands. Write memory. Or copy running config startup config. Final thoughts. Congratulations! You've successfully assigned a hostname to your Cisco device. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Systech, and hit the notification bell for more practical networking tutorials. Got questions or suggestions? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more learning with Systech.